about the best and the cheapest gel eyeliner. About the product itself, so I'll be frank, I have only used the black gel eyeliner until now. I have not used the brown one. This is how the brown one is. It comes in a plastic tub like this, and this is how it looks. This is how the black one is. You will see that I have dug it up only from one place because I don't like to dig my eyeliner each and every place. So you don't need so much product, and you can just take a little bit and you can apply it directly on your eyes. I'm going to take some product out of this so that I have some on my brush. Guys, I have applied it on one of my eyes, and I can absolutely tell you that it's very smooth. It's extremely soft to apply, and the application is absolutely perfect with the help of this tiny.
Gel eyeliner average star rating, 4.9 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Just hit the description link. More details and buy here. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe me.